Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to allocate a payment on account in Xero. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software designed to simplify financial management for small to medium-sized businesses. Allocating a payment on account in Xero involves matching a customer's payment to an outstanding invoice. When a customer makes an advance payment or a payment that doesn't immediately match an invoice, you can allocate that payment on account. Later, when an invoice is created, you can link that payment to the specific invoice, ensuring your accounts are accurate. This helps keep your bookkeeping organized and ensures that all payments are properly accounted for. Xero offers powerful tools to help you reconcile your bank transactions quickly, even when a single payment covers multiple expenses. Here's how you can allocate a payment to multiple account codes. On the bank reconciliation screen, find the transaction you want to split. Click on Add Details to begin breaking down the payment. Ensure the total payment amount is entered correctly. If the total payment amounts to $140, enter $70 for the lock and allocate this to the repairs and maintenance account. Enter $20 for the printer paper and allocate this to the stationery account. Lastly, enter $50 for the personal use items and allocate this to the drawings account. Once you have allocated the amounts to their respective account codes, click Save Transaction. Ensure the total transaction amount matches the amount on your bank statement. Finally, click Reconcile or OK to finalize the reconciliation. This method ensures your records are accurate by appropriately categorizing each part of the payment. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed instructions, feel free to leave a comment. And that's pretty much all about how you can allocate a payment on account in Xero. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye and I will see you in the next one.